Jenkins Interview Preparation Part 2. How can you set up a Jenkins job? To set up a Jenkins job, you need to follow these steps. First, select new item from the menu. Next, enter the name of the job and select freestyle job. Click OK to create a new job. Hence, the next page that appears will allow you to configure your job, and then it is working. What are the requirements for using Jenkins? So, we require the following: a source code repository that can be accessed, for example, a Git repository, a build script, for example, a Maven script, and that will do the job. Well, these are not requirements, let's say, but these are essential. Name the two components that Jenkins is mostly integrated with. Jenkins is typically integrated with these two components: version control system, VCS, like Git and SVN, Apache Subversion, build tools like Maven, and there are others. Name some of the useful plugins in Jenkins. Some of the plugins in Jenkins include Maven 2 project, Amazon EC2, Copy Artifact, Join, HTML Publisher, Green Balls. How can you create a backup and copy files in Jenkins? Jenkins stores all settings, build scripts, and logs in the home directory. Then if you want to create a backup of this Jenkins setup, all you have to do is copy this directory. The job directory may also be copied to clone a job or rename the directory. How can you deploy a custom build of core plugin? If you wish to deploy a custom build of a core plugin, you follow these steps. Stop Jenkins, then copy the custom HPI to Jenkins home. This is an environment variable /plugins. After that, delete the previously expanded plugin directory. Next, make an empty file called with this plugin.hpi.bind. Finally, start the Jenkins. What could you be the steps to move or copy Jenkins from one server to another? There are multiple ways to move or copy Jenkins from one server to another. You may move job from one Jenkins installation to another just by copying the corresponding job directory on the system itself. Or you may copy of an already existing job, may clone of the job directory with an uncommon name. You may also just rename a current job by renaming a directory. Name some more continuous integration tools other than Jenkins. Some of the top continuous integration tools other than Jenkins is TeamCity, Travis CI, GoCD, Bamboo, GitLab CI, Circle CI, CodeShip. Assume that you have a pipeline. The first job that you perform was successful, but the second one failed. What would you do now? You don't have to worry, and you just have to restart the pipeline from the point where it failed by doing restart from stage. Explain the process in which Jenkins works. Here's the process where Jenkins works. Jenkins checks changes in repository regularly, and developers must secure their code regularly. Once the changes are defined, Jenkins detects them and uses them to prepare a new build. After that, Jenkins will transverse through various stages in its usual pipeline. As one stage completes, the process will move further on the next stage. If a stage fails, the Jenkins build will stop there and the software will email the team using it. When completed successfully, the code implements itself in the proper server so that testing begins. Thanks for watching. I will see you in part 3.